Still joining first and last names manually in Excel? That ends today. Here are 5 powerful ways to combine text from different cells, plus a bonus trick that feels like magic. First up, the ampersand operator. Type equals A2 and space in B2. Quick, clean, and perfect for short tasks. Next, the CONCAT function. Type equals CONCAT a 2 comma space comma B2. Same result, but easier to manage in bigger formulas. Number 3, the TEXTJOIN function. Perfect for joining multiple cells, even if some are blank. Use equals TEXTJOIN space comma, true comma, a 2 comma, B2. Clean, powerful, flexible. Here comes Flash Fill, Excel's hidden AI trick. Just type the combined name manually once, then press Ctrl plus E. Excel guesses the pattern and fills the rest instantly. No formula, no code, just magic. Want to handle large datasets like a pro? Use Power Query. And the bonus? Add a single button that checks all rows, joins first and last names, and updates every time you add new data. VBA makes it feel like Excel has a brain. Excel isn't just about formulas. It's about working smarter, not harder. Use these tricks and impress your boss, team, or even your inner nerd. Subscribe for more AI-powered Excel magic.